home with his family on their way home to Placerville. They were on vacation somewhere. The guy pulled up next to him on the freeway, said, "Your truck's on fire." And I guess that's when he realized he had smoke. Pulled off the freeway here. It's really windy down here. It's like a wind tunnel. The whole truck burned up and it caught the fifth wheel on fire too. It looks like it totaled both expensive pieces of equipment. Look at it. That's an expensive truck and expensive fifth wheel. It's a lot of money. Maybe even $100,000. He's had a bad oil leak, and it could have just gotten so hot that it finally just caught fire.